Mm, what's up, guys? Today I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to get your Mastercard to work online. Your gift card reloadable Mastercard to use it either online or for Uber or whatever. You're gonna have to go through this process first before you can use it. Cause I know many people probably like, what the heck? What's the zip code of my card? Like me. I tried to put in the store zip code, I tried to put in my zip code, and I was like, it wasn't working. So what you have to do is on your little Mastercard gift card, there's a little address on the back, email or website. It says my gift card or something.com, and you can't really see it because my phone sucks. But you gotta go to, it's on the back of the card, www.mygiftcardsite.com. And now search it in Google first so you don't go to the wrong website and have someone steal your card information. And yeah, it's pretty simple. You just go in there, put in your card number and the security code, and it asks you basically your name, address. You put it in, save it, and it automatically works. Whatever zip code you put in. And that's how you do it, guys. Wow. It's pretty easy. And again, the address or the website is on the back of the card. And you have to do this for any online or purchases or whatnot. Amazon, eBay, PSN, whatever. You gotta do that first. Yep. I tried to do it last night and got so confused. I was like, why isn't it working? But yeah, I got it. Oh, and guess, in case you guys don't know, I'm moving today. Going to Ohio, Cincinnati, man. So I may not be playing PS4 for a while, but I will try my best. Well, I might be playing, but I won't be live streaming because I probably won't have like high-speed internet for a while. I'll probably be using like my phone as a sharing the internet off my phone, whatever you call that. Forgot. Yeah. Anyways,